Hello dear students, let's start Civics lesson number 4 Fundamental Rights part 1. What is mean by fundamental? Fundamental means basic and important rights. What are the basic rights? Education is our right. Next, we must get the assurance of a minimum wage. It is our right. We have a right over our forest and its resources. Like this, we have many rights. We get rights at birth. And as soon as those baby take birth, has rights. Even every newborn baby has a right to live. And every individual get protection. Protection from what? From injustice. Injustice means unfair. Exploitation. Exploitation means taking advantage. Discrimination means treating one person worse, means badly. The Indian Constitution has granted equal rights to all citizens, means all are having equal rights. Those who are poor, those who are rich, they all are having equal rights. These rights are our fundamental, means basic rights. These fundamental rights are included in the Constitution, which they have the status of law. Let's see our rights as mentioned in the Constitution. First, right to equality. According to the right to equality, we cannot discriminate. Discriminate means we cannot treat one person worsely or badly. Every man and woman has same right, means they have same law. Many laws given us protection. For example, we have protection from arrest without warrant. Let's see right to liberty. Liberty means the freedom to go where you want. This freedom is given by our Constitution to all Indian citizens. Let's see what right we have. Freedom of a speech and expression. Freedom to assemble peacefully. Freedom to form association to unions. Freedom to move freely through the territory of India. Freedom to settle in any part of India. Freedom to practice any lawful profession, means you have a freedom to choose any profession or any occupation, trade or business. Let's see next, right against exploitation. Exploitation means take advantage. This is banned by our Constitution. Even ban on children employed, means we cannot keep children as a worker below the age of 14 years. In this chapter, we studied the rights to liberty and equality and right against exploitation. In next chapter, we shall study some more fundamental rights in the Constitution. Thank you.